In this video, we are going to resolve this problem that whenever someone sends you a picture and you are trying to download this, it shows you this message every single time, even though the net is properly working. The download was unable to complete. Please try again later. And even though you have tried a couple of times, it is unable to download this picture or this video. So here's how you can resolve this. First of all, just click OK. And after that, just open this menu from the top. And what you need to do is just turn on the airplane mode, turn it on and turn it off. What this will do is this will reset the network activity, and hopefully that should solve your problem. Just turn on this airplane mode. It's very useful function. You don't need to restart your mobile. Instead, you can just hit this to reset that. After that, just try downloading that. But if it is unable to work again, just go to the settings, and from the settings, you need to go in the application management or app management. Just go in here and we want to search app list. Just go in the app list and just search for WhatsApp. We can just scroll down, or otherwise you can use the search application feature as well. So just scroll down until you see WhatsApp. Now here we have WhatsApp. Make sure you are working on the same WhatsApp version. In my case, I'm using WhatsApp Business. And after that, just go to storage and cache. Just remember guys, we have two options at the bottom, clear storage and clear cache. You only need to clear the cache and not the storage, because if you clear the storage, it will wipe off the complete data. So make sure you don't click on this one, only click on the clear cache option. Just click on that and just try to close all the applications and then open WhatsApp again. And here is the message. Let me just try this. If it is still unable to resolve, what you can do is just restart the mobile once. Let me just restart this. And after restarting your mobile phone, let's try again. So if you're still unable to do that, let me just show you how we can install and even uninstall and install again. Don't worry, it's a very simple process. It only takes a few minutes. Let me just open WhatsApp, uninstall this, and click on install. What this will do is this will basically update the app. Just make sure to take the backup of the chats before doing this. This is my extra account, so I just straight away uninstalled this. Let's click on open, agree and continue, allow, continue with the existing number, click next. Your number is verified, click continue. It says create a passkey. I don't want to create the passkey. And it says contacts and media to easily send messages and photos to people. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos and other media. This is very important step. Just click on continue, click on allow, allow again, allow again. And this is the most important step guys. You can see that it automatically takes the backup on after each couple of days. And it says last backup was taken on 3rd September. 397 MB of media is available. So you want to restore this chat. Let's click on restore, because if you skip it for the moment, it will not be able to restore it again. Click next, write your business name here. Let me just mention business queries, click next. Let's say education, click next. Always open, next, next, profile picture. Okay, more ways to find. Let me just skip this step, skip this as well. And now it's finishing the setup. And let me just try now to send any kind of media with my other number. Let me just click open, and this is the media I received. Let's click on this and you are able to see now I can easily download any kind of picture. So that might be the application bug as well. So this is the last step that you can try. But before uninstalling the software or application, just try that couple of steps that I have explained earlier. So hopefully that should solve your problem. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.